Or what now?
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to today's episode of T-SARP. Our guests, as you might have heard, is Sam and Steven.
Hi.
I like
Again.
turtles.
Wow. I love how you guys say like some random stuff every day.
My dad has just informed me that I am not well.
Oh, that's terrible. Did you catch what Steven got?
What?
That was a bad joke. Okay, so, as you might have saw in the title, we are talking about hackathon tips. Because with the upcoming Code Clash 2022 for HotPog students, you might need some tips, especially if it's your first time.
Don't you mean Columbus, Ohio?
Yeah. Oh, right. Oh, yes. Wait.
You just
Columbus,
gave away
Ohio.
our location.
Totally
They know
not.
our names.
Oh, bro.
Columbus,
They
Ohio.
know.
Totally not New Jersey. Totally not New Jersey. New Jersey. Not.
They know our names and location.
Totally not Hopog, New Jersey. Totally not Hopog, New Jersey. It's definitely Columbus, Ohio. Okay? Just you got that. So, I will start off with our tips. Okay? So, you might not have this resource. I won't put it in the description, but because it's mine. And it has a whole list of every challenge ever, okay, in these hackathons. So you can look at those and you can make that, like, so for instance, you see one that you think you can do, like say make Shrek in Python Turtles, because that was one, draw Shrek. If you see that and you're like, I would love to do that, you can do it beforehand, figure out how you're going to do it the day of, and then boom, just the day of, you already know how to do it. And now you might not have that exactly, like draw Shrek, but you might have draw Cookie Monster. So, you know, you could be good at it. Yeah, draw Donkey. So, that's my first one. Who wants to go next?
Me.
Hi. Sam,
okay, Sam's going.
The second tip of the day is to get a good night's sleep and eat a good breakfast and lunch. So you're very prepared and not starving or tired during the challenge.
Yeah, that's always bad when you're like hungry or like you have a headache from not eating and all you're trying to do is code, but it's terrible. So don't do that.
And drink a lot of water so you don't get dehydration headaches.
Yeah, but don't do a Joseph K and then pee 5 times during the event. He went to the bathroom like 5 times. See, that's good. We should just use the initials. See, I said Joseph K, only the last.
But they know our names from last podcast.
I just pulled a Joseph Lay and clicked the clock. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
I accidentally joined on my computer.
No, a Joseph Lay is this. Hey, don't look at this image. I just showed you this image. He always does that he always does that when he's releasing a new game. He'll be like, "Don't look at this new game I have right on my screen that you're looking at right now." Oh, just look at it. It's so stupid.
So stupid.
So, Steven.
Sorry if you're watching this, Cookie Monster. We don't want to offend you.
Yeah, so, Steven, what's your tip?
Yes. Okay, so the obvious important one, bring like gear that you're comfortable with working with, like your mouse at home and your keyboard and even your laptop.
If they let you.
Yeah, normally they do. I brought my mouse last time and that's fine.
I brought my mouse and keyboard last time.
Did it squeak and eat cheese?
No, I don't think you can squeak and eat cheese.
Okay.
I guess it's back to me then. Okay, for my final tip, practice Python Turtles. This kind of is like the last one, but Python Turtles is most likely going to be all the Python challenges on this mini hackathon. There might be make like a game where you have to fish, or make a game where you have to guess the number or something like that. But most likely it's going to be Python Turtles draw the school, or Python Turtles draw your principal, or something like that. So practice Python Turtles. Next up is Sam.
So, the fifth tip of the day, is to make a very quick project at the beginning, but then reinforce it later so no one can take it. But you want to claim that territory first, so you have a good base.
That's a good hint. Yeah, we did that a lot in the 6th grade hackathon last year.
I do remember that.
Yeah. So, Stephen, our final tip of the day.
Always bring mac and cheese. Either Solomon or an actual bowl of mac and cheese. Because if you watch the replays, you'll see that from whatever Solomon's name.
I'm gonna be right back. Okay, thank you.
Sam, can you not interrupt
Actually,
me?
we didn't ask. You just interrupted. So.
Yeah. All right. So, anyways, if it's because Solomon's name is mac and cheese, and last year I brought a bowl of mac and cheese and we won.
Yeah.
So
and
always
we were bowing down to it.
Yeah, have at least one person bring it. If you have an even number
I
of
have
people,
very good news.
Sam,
I have very good.
Sam, we did not ask.
So just bring it.
Guys, I have.
Yeah, so bring mac and cheese.
Talk!
No.
I'm speaking.
So he doesn't even let you speak. So yes, bring mac and cheese because you're representing Solomon and he helps.
And you'll probably win.
Yeah, and it's good because it tastes good.
Can I say my good news now?
Sure.
Yeah, you can say your good news now.
I just asked, and he said I could have mac and cheese.
Wow! Like thanks for
You just
telling
asked,
us.
and he's having mac and cheese.
Here's one problem: I don't actually care because I'm not on your team.
Well, yeah, but we still.
Thanks. Bye. So those are our wonderful tips. Now on to our regular scheduled program. Why did it take a lot of thinking for me to say that?
I have no idea.
Yeah, that was kind of sad.
So we have the mini hackathon, if you don't know, on the 22nd. So it's less than a week away. So get practicing and start memorizing these tips because they're going to be very helpful if you're going to be in it, or if you're not going to be in it, cheer on your friends with the live watch link. That might
be honest.
He's gone again.
Oh my god, stop!
What do you want to say?
If you're not going to be in it, why are you listening to this?
Because there are people that enjoy listening, okay? You got that? And maybe they want to be in the real hackathon. And to be in the real hackathon, you need to have good tips and good strategies. So.
Yeah.
So, are you guys, by the way, vote for the in brackets. I'm losing. Well, at the moment, though.
Horribly.
So, no, by one vote. By one vote. The vote for me. Make up for that loss. So, yeah, because otherwise the stupid 6th grader is gonna win, and that would be really bad. And all he did was make this really bad game that's not even close to as good as mine. So. Yeah.
Andrew angry.
Yeah.
Look at all the reactions I put on your
on my life. So, Sam, are you gonna participate in the next in brackets?
No, yeah, of course I am.
Okay. Because this was the first one, Steven, you didn't participate in?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too,
I participated in every single one. This is actually the one I put the most effort into.
Because you started it before you even knew the challenge.
Yeah.
Exactly, because I didn't need to know.
It was literally just luck that you got the answer.
Halloween,
It correctly.
Well, because everyone knew it was gonna be Halloween.
No, trick or treat specifically.
Yeah, I know. It was the one was trick or treat, and my game was all about trick or treating. I'll put the link in the description to the in brackets, so you can vote for me with ease. Also, vote for the Lonely Larry of the Patch because it will be really funny when Tyler rages that he didn't win. It will be real funny.
Yeah.
And it's only 3 away from tying, so.
Vote
So
now.
vote now and get your favorable answer.
Favorable.
Or favorable. So, does anyone have any final words?
Good luck to all the teams that participate.
Yes, good luck to all. I hope that you win, but you won't because I'm in this competition. So
I hope you won't win because I'm in this competition. Yeah.
Andrew has a big advantage to his team.
yeah, really.
He has the 3 Andrews.
We have the 3 Andrews.
The
They
3
put us
Andrew
all
tiers.
together. The 3
Yeah.
Andrews unite and kill. Not literally. This is a family.
And
We have
Aiden.
we have the 2 Aidens and the 3 Andrews. We are the 5 A's. We will win. Half
There's
our team
probably
is
more.
A's. Yeah, it would be funny if we had the final Aiden on our team, and then we would have the 3 Aidens, the 3 Andrews. That's actually kind of overpowered. I don't know how he let that happen.
Yeah,
Me personally,
how is it fair?
I wouldn't let that
Personally,
slide.
Yeah, I wouldn't let that slide either. Yeah, let's see. Do we have any other names? Oh, okay. We have the 2 Aidens, the 2 Gavins, and the 3 Andrews.
Anything else?
No, that's about everyone. We have the Chris, the Tyler, and me, her.
Oh.
Yeah. Does any
No,
other team?
no
Oh,
one
but
if you're watching this.
Yellow team has the 3 Alexes, Alex, and Alexa. So that could be bad. I think that's about it. There's no others that match up. I'm looking at the chart. Yeah, so it's purple against the yellow team now because they got the 3 Alexes. So that could be bad. So thank you guys for listening to this awesome podcast. And we won't see you. We won't see you. We won't hear you. We won't sense you because this is recorded beforehand next time. Bye bye.
Type something in the non-existent comments.